Hello and welcome back to Crochet Smash. Today I am going to start doing the Christmas decorations crochet. So here is one I already made. Let us start making this one. So for the center I made in green. So let us start making with a magic ring, and we are going to make chain 2, which is considered as the first double crochet. Then we are going to make 9 more double crochet in the same ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now tighten the magic circle, then slip stitch on top of the chain 2, and that is the first round. I cut the yarn and finish off the round 1. Okay, now I can attach the yarn. Next is next here is white, so I'm going to use the white. I'm using Bennett premium yarn and size 5 hook. So attach the yarn, then chain 2, which is considered as the double crochet. Then you make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Then in every stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. We have 20 double crochets in the second round, and we join to the second chain of the first 2 chains. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. Just lock it in place. Now we can attach our third color, which is going to be red. So attach the yarn. We are going to make chain 1, then just consider as a single crochet, and then I make one more chain single crochet in the same stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 in the next one, 1 in the next one, then 2 1, then again 2, next is 1, 2 1 2 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, then slip stitch the first single crochet or chain 1 in our case, and cut the yarn, just lock it in place so it won't go unravel, so it won't unravel. So we are done this one. Make one more of the same thing and we will meet you again. Now we have made 2 of the same thing, so we keep the wrong sides together. Okay, take the back loop of the first one and the back loop of this one, and put your hook through and attach the yarn. I'm going to attach with the maybe I will do the white so you can see for the purpose of the tutorial. You keep all the yarn ends towards the wrong side or inside and attach the yarn. Chain 1, make a slip stitch in the same space. Okay, then chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1. Make sure you are getting both the circles just like this. Did I make a chain 1? Yeah, chain 1. Then slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next one. Make sure your yarn tails are going inside. I should have cut it a little longer. Then goes inside, this goes inside, and get both sides. Slip stitch, chain 1, now I am going to use some polyfill. I'm not doing overfill, just a little bit of polyfill to give it a nice squishy feeling. So when you hang it on your tree, it will look like, it will get that nice round shape. Okay, here and chain one, join to the first one. Yeah, just go through that chain one. A little hard for me. Okay, then you do a slip stitch. Okay, now to hang on the tree we need a loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 long, and then coming back, and it goes in the beginning, and okay, so you can make it around it and do, just hold it like this, and one more slip stitch, leave a little long yarn tail, and cut. Just lock it in place. Now to give that extra secure feeling, so one more tight and tight one more time. There you go. The polyfill is not coming out. Still good. This one with the white edge, this one with the red edge. We can change the colors, like you can start with the red, then green, then outer layer white, and then the edging can be red. We can make in many different colors. Have fun with that. See you next time with the next pattern. Bye now.